Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you're looking for a high-end refrigerator with all the best features, you can't go wrong with a reliable KitchenAid refrigerator. Whether you're hoping for a model with French doors or touch-activated controls, this top brand of refrigerators can meet just about any need. 21 November 2019.
Take our lead.
Whirlpool is the top choice for a reliable French door refrigerator brand, according to the J.D. Powers report. KitchenAid and Samsung follow in second and third place, respectively. Another notable finding, the polls report also named Whirlpool as the overall most reliable home appliance brand. 5 September 2019.
Take our lead.
KitchenAid is the best brand of cookware. I had an indestructible frying pan that I had for 6 years and was so happy with it every time I cooked. It was non-stick and huge for the family of 2. Looking to buy a new and awesome cookware from my favorite brand, KitchenAid, the 21st of February 2021.
Take our lead.
Between 14 and 17 years. Depending on model and size, a properly maintained refrigerator can last between 14 and 17 years. A standard refrigerator can run up to 17 years on average, while a compact refrigerator can run for 14 years.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.